International students from Ningxia University have hailed China for giving high priority to the development of education, which is mentioned in the report of the 20th National Congress of the Communist Party of China.
I come from Tanzania. It's good that the 20th Congress realized the continued importance and gave high priority to the development of education through meeting people's expectations by building a high-quality education system, advancing students' well-rounded development and promoting fairness in education. I wish China all the best in its development.
China has gained its popularity for the higher education in these recent years. More and more foreign students like me come to China to increase their knowledge and broaden the horizons. The 20th National Congress of the Communist Party of China has insisted to increase the priority of the development of the education, which makes me feel really lucky to study in China.
Some students hope they can use the knowledge they learn in China to boost development in their own countries, and promote stronger bilateral cooperation.
I've been given this great opportunity to study in China to gain some skills that will be useful in my own country and in my own region where I come from. So I'm really glad and happy to stand here and share my experience of this wonderful journey that the leadership of the Chinese government has brought upon.
I lived in China for the last 10 years. I have witnessed and benefited from the China's rapid growth over the past 10 years. The 20th National Congress of the Communist Party will have a far-reach effect on the world and contribute China's wisdom, solution and strength to the world's peace and development. I will use my professional expertise to promote cooperation in the field of medicine.